Welcome back. Sometimes, when you need to share your phone with someone, you may not want them to see your private apps like WhatsApp or Instagram. While there's no official app hiding feature on the iPhone, I'm here to show you a clever trick. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your iPhone settings and go to Screen Time. Set a screen time passcode to ensure that no one can unhide the apps you've hidden. In Screen Time, navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on the toggle switch by entering your passcode. Now, click on Allowed Apps. Here, you'll find a list of system apps that you can hide by turning off the toggle switch. If you want to hide third-party and other apps, click on Content Restrictions. Enter your passcode and select Apps. You can choose to don't allow almost all applications or specifically hide age-restricted apps like social media platforms. For example, you can select 4+ to hide WhatsApp and similar apps. Step 5. Return to your home screen. And you'll notice that all the social media apps are no longer visible, such as WhatsApp, Instagram, or Snapchat. Even if you try searching for those apps in the app search, you won't find them. Amazing, isn't it? Step 6. If you ever want to bring back the hidden apps, simply go back to the same settings and click Allow or turn on the toggle switch as shown in the video. That's it. By using this nifty trick, you can easily hide apps on your iPhone, even though Apple doesn't provide an official feature for it. If you want to hide some other app like Safari, you can follow the same steps and continue watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or need assistance with any other topics, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Have a great day.